What's up, Marvies? And welcome to Mark Allen TV. Today we are going to Music for Live Studio to shoot for our upcoming music video that's dedicated to all the frontliners. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified. Tara na, Marvies! Ate Sheila, where are we going? This is Ate Sheila. For
the music video shoot of Some Nights and Warrior is a Child, or the music video of The Boys. Music for Life!
That's right. Yes, right. Yes, right.
Naubos din sabihin ko!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay na? Sabi po nasa hindi pasto siya.
Parang may sama na loob.
Ang galing mo, parang ano, Ate Megan? Alay Popeye. So, mga magsasawa ba kami dito?
What? Is the light?
Yan, ganyan. Doon ang konti.
Oh no!
Darno!
Yakap!
Ikaw na ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my...
Ate Grace, what's that?
Parang siyang suman. Na may gata, yan siya may gata.
What is this na? Kaulam? Kaulam. Cow means rice. Kaulam. Ito po yung loob niya.
Kanin.
Kanin siya.
Kanin may gata na may sugar. Yun yung lasa niya.
Wow! Atikin nga ako, te. Wow! How old is he?
8 months.
8 months, huh? Wow! Very beautiful. What is his name?
Mali.
Mali.
Ciao.
Wow. Wow.
Sungay man. Ruwen ko Macau.
Perfect.
Malolobat na to.
Oh no!
Patayin ko na.
Patay niya na. Sana all patay. Sana all patay. What? Oh no!
So, how was the shoot?
The shoot was shooting. It's done and
The
it's
shoot-
very tiring.
The shoot was perfectly shot. Yes.
Perfectly shot because it is shotting.
Shooting. How's the pilot and the director?
They are all amazing.
No comment. No comment.
Wow!
Alright, pabalik na kami sa studio kasi tapos na ang first part ng shooting dito sa beach. Ngayon, kukunan naman namin yung part ni Francis. How are you, Francis?
I'm okay.
Are you ready for your part?
No.
No. No.
One, two, three. Go.
It will be held on 30th of August 2020 at 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
4 p.m. Pag may PM wala ng afternoon. No. 3, 2, 1, rolling.
It will be held on 30th of August 2020 at 4 in the afternoon. It will be held.
Shoot na tayo guys.
Already na daw sabi ni Direk.
Shoot na.
Some nights I wish that my lips could be the castle.
Sa yung some nights daw.
Well, some nights
Kita
I wish that
natin itong dalawang to. Lahat na kami nandyan.
ginagawa mo.
Ano ba?
Ano ba, mama?
Ito, kasama kayo. Kasama rin kami dyan, pero kasama namin sila lahat.
We're almost done. And ngayon ang ginagawa na lang namin is yung vlog. A vlog ba yun, Kuya Marlon? Or documentary?
Secret.
Documentary for our big night.
Balance yan.
Sabay-sabay ang bigas. Hanggat may tuhod.
One, two, three. Hanggat may instrumento, lalaki. Hanggat may musika, babae. Hanggat magpapatuloy sana, hanggat may nagtitiwala sana tugon, maraming salamat sana, pati po ang Music for Life sana.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hanggat may instrumento.
Hindi magpapatuloy. Hanggat may nagtitiwala.
1, 2, 3.
Hanggat may instrumento. Kaya pala nagpagupit, may lawit.
Pagod na to, madlumugot
Game, game.
to. Game.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Ito matawa. Ano yung sinipili niya nasa kanya yung camera?
1, 2, 3.
Hanggat may instrumento.
Yes, at si Mark.
Yes na! Guys, ayusin na.
1, 2, 3.
Hanggat may instrumento.
Uy!
Game, game. Ready, ready.
1, 2, 3.
Hanggat may instrumento.
Hanggat may musika,
Kami magpapatuloy hanggat may nagtitiwala. Kami po ang Music for Life. Maraming salamat.
Sana.
On. Alright! Kakauwi lang namin from Music for Life Studio. Nakakapagod yung paggawa ng music video, hindi siya biro, lalo na yung shooting, yung pag-iisip, yung brainstorming, yung concept. Pero natapos namin yung music video na dedicated para sa mga frontliners. Since 14 ng utak na gumagana sa Music for Life, hindi imposibleng magawa namin yung ganong kagandang produkto. Now, if you wanna see the whole video, I put the link on the description below. And to see more of this content, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified. Thank you so much, Marvies. Good night. Ciao.